Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Prestige hand blender. The model number is PHB 11.0. There's a lot of information on this box. Over here it's written, it comes with stainless steel blades, impeccable super sharp stainless steel blade grinds and blends every particle perfectly, assuring amazing results in every use. This is also durable for daily use and it's thoughtfully designed. Basically it comes with an ergonomic design. Do we have any more information? No, that's more or less it. Let's open this box and show you what's inside. So these are the components of the box. First we have a user manual. So this is the user manual that comes with it. Everything that you need to know about this particular blender you will find over here. This is the blender in question. It comes with this red and white color scheme. It is made out of plastic, but this is solid PVC plastic, so it is not going to break anytime soon. It does have a very elegant and sleek design. It looks a bit like a bottle, so that's, it's uniquely designed, and it's also ergonomic, so your hand won't get tired anytime soon using it. This is the button that you use to turn on the blender. I will show you how it works. And on this end you have these are the stainless steel blades in question. I'm going to plug it to a power outlet and show you what it sounds like. Check it out. Works great, in fact. And this is it. This is what you find inside the box containing the Prestige hand blender. Model number is PHB 11.0. Thank you for watching.